Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to display the paste special dialog box by using the shortcut key. We can use here Ctrl Alt V for paste special. Just copy this text. Now paste here. Just press Ctrl Alt V. It will display the paste special dialog box. For value, just press V. If you press V and press enter, it will only paste the value, not a format. It's only the paste the value. Now I just copy this text and paste here. Just press Ctrl Alt V. It will display the paste special dialog box. Now for format, just press T and press enter. It's only paste the format, not a value. You can see here. That's way you can use the paste special dialog box by using the shortcut key. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to fit column width by using the shortcut key. We can use here Alt H O I. You can see here date, it is not showing here, and product and country column width is too small. It is not showing data properly, and quantity width is too long, and rate and amount are too small, and I want to fit these column width according to the data. First select all your data and then you have to press Alt key. Just press Alt key and type HOI. It will fit column width according to the data. You can see here it is very good trick to fit your column width. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to freeze data by using the shortcut key. Here sales report, you can see here. If I go down, it is not showing here. You can see here it is not showing here, and I want to display the heading. Just press Alt W F. It will freeze the heading. Now if you go down, you can see here heading will also be displayed. It will freeze the heading. Now again press Alt W F. It will unfreeze the heading. Now you can see here. That's way you can freeze your heading. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to add Mr. in these full names. I will tell you very simple trick to get the Mr. in these names. First type Mr. Type the first full name. And press enter. Now select the first name and all the below cells and press Ctrl E. It will get the Mr. in all the full names. You can see here. Here is Numan Ahmed and Mr. Numan Ahmed. Here is a Farhan Ansari and here Mr. Farhan Ansari. That's way you can get the Mr. in full name. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to get sum in multiple location on one click. If you want to sum in multiple location, first select all the cells where you want to get sum. Just press Ctrl key and select all the cell where you want to get sum. And now press Alt is equal to. If you press Alt is equal to, it will get sum in all the location. You can see here. That's way you can get sum in multiple location. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to group data by using the shortcut key. We can use Shift Alt right arrow key for group any data. Just select LCD data and press Shift Alt right arrow key. It will display the group dialog box and press enter. It will group these data. You can see here it's it is display the minus. If I click here, it will display only total. If I click here, it will display all the data. Now select printer data and press Shift Alt right arrow key and press enter. Now select speaker data and press Shift Alt right arrow and press enter. If you click number 1, it will display the summary report of all the equipment. If you click 2, it will display all the detailed report of equipment. That's way you can group your data by using the Shift Alt right arrow key. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to insert row above by using the shortcut key, and also you will learn how to insert column to the left by using the shortcut key. Let's understand. First, I want to insert row above. You have to press Alt IR to insert row above. Just press Alt IR, it will insert row above. You can see here. Now I want to insert here one row above. Just press Alt IR. Now I want to insert column to the left. Just press Alt IC. Alt IC, it will insert a blank column to the left. Just press again Alt IC, it will insert a blank column to the left. That's where you can insert row and column by using the shortcut key. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to select entire range of data by using the shortcut key. We can press Ctrl Shift Space Bar. If you press Ctrl Shift Space Bar, it will select entire range of data. You can see here. And I want to select this one. Just press Ctrl Shift Space Bar. It will select entire range of data. But if I click here, Ctrl Shift Space Bar, it will select all the sheet. I just press Ctrl Shift Space Bar, it will select all the sheet. That's why you can select entire range and entire sheet by using the shortcut key Ctrl Shift Space Bar. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn shortcut to quickly insert or delete comments in Microsoft Excel. For add or edit comments, we can use Shift F2 shortcut. For delete comments, we can use Shift F10 and then press M key. Suppose I want to insert the comment here. Just press Shift F2 key. It will display the comment box and type the comments. I just type here good job. Now the comments has been added. If you move to the mouse in this cell, it will display the comments. I want to edit this comment. Just press again Shift F2 key. Now it is in edit mode. You can type the another comments here. But I want to delete these comments. Just press Shift F10 and then press M key. Just press Shift F10 key. It will display the right menu and press M key. It will delete the comments. That's why you can insert or delete comments in Microsoft Excel quickly. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to use superscript by using shortcut key. We can use here Ctrl 1 and then press Alt E and then press enter to use the superscript. Here is a first text which you want to superscript. Just select the text which you want to superscript and press Ctrl 1 and press Alt E and enter. Now here I want to use superscript. Just select the text and press Ctrl 1 Alt E enter. Here I want to use this number. Just press Ctrl 1 Alt E enter. That's why you can use superscript by using this shortcut key. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.